everyone! Malapit na talaga ang Christmas and I'm pretty sure sinusubaybayan nyo yung mga guests natin sa Vlogmas natin. Kaya naman for this episode ay we will be having Mommy Ruth Ramos. Hello, Mommy Ruth! Ayan, gusto ko yung pagganon mo sa hair mo dyan. Kumusta? How are you? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yay! Christmas
Kalain
na.
mo yun? Christmas na pala!
Oo nga, parang ang bilis lang, di ba? Parang lately, nasa bahay lang tayo nung March. Tapos, ayan, ngayon na ay mag-celebrate na tayo ng Christmas. Ayan. Thank you, Mommy Ruth, for saying yes na mag-guest ka dito. I'm pretty
Of
sure
course naman.
marami kaming natutunan sa iyo, of course, sa experience mo, sa life mo, especially ngayong 2020. But, huwag na natin itong patagalin pa at baka hahaba na naman ng intro ko, gaya sa mga intro with the previous guests. So, eto na. First question, Mommy Ruth, is how do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
Okay, so this is a really nice question. So when I was a first-time mom, I went on research overdrive. There are so many things that I did not know. So for me, information is a source of peace of mind. It helps with my anxieties and it gives me confidence as a new mom. So I realized I wanted to create a channel. My brand will be dedicated to that. I want to share what I learned as a mom, hoping that it could help others who are going through the same thing I went through before. And also, I do the day in a life vlog. I don't know if you guys watch me, but I just do the seemingly ordinary things that I do as a stay-at-home mom, like the chores and being an online seller and being a mom to my two boys, which is 1-year-old and 3 years old. Magti-3 na yung mga anak natin magka-batch, di ba? Magti-3 na sila. And masasabi ko, when I did that vlog, I did it to relax myself. And maraming nag-comment na nagustuhan nila yung mga vlogs na ganon and na-motivate sila na gumawa ng mga daily mommy duties nila like paglalaba, paghuhugas ng pinggan. So kasi guys, it's really hard to do kahit na isipin mong ordinary lang siya, but to get up on the day. So I think that's what I offer as a brand. I help moms to be motivated, especially during this pandemic. Now we are dealing with the pandemic and all the other problems that comes with it. So yung vlogs ko, they say that it's a source of happiness for them, na natutuwa sila. So ayun, it's important to keep your little happiness in a daily basis. And that's what my brand offers, or that's how I empower moms.
Yes, totoo yan, Mommy Ruth, kasi when I always watch your vlogs, yung parang iniisip ko, paano parang minamanage ni Mommy Ruth yung time niya as a mom? Kasi you mentioned you don't have a yaya. Wala kayong yaya, so you're a super mama. Kaya mong gawin lahat. Mag-edit, mag-film, magbantay ng toddler, at ngayon, nandyan pa si Rain, diba?
Yes.
So you are really a super woman, Mommy Ruth. Ayan, and speaking of being a mom, and speaking of being an influencer, what is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you? O, diba? Miss Universe yan.
Oh my God! Miss Universe ba to? Talaga, this question had me thinking so deep, guys. As in, but ang question ko is not related to being mom. I guess it's more of being a person. Kasi, if I really think about your question and I answer true from within me, ang lumabas na question sa akin when I was thinking about is when I was a kid, I experienced being really, really poor. My mom died when I was young and she left me with my lola. My lola was okay, but she migrated to the States. And now when my father is the one taking care of me, he couldn't take care of me. So what he would do is he would leave me sa mga relatives namin or friends niya. He would offer my services as a house help in exchange of staying in their house, eating their food, and allowance for me going to school sa province. So ganun yung life ko before. And this made me very determined and succeed in my life na teenager pa lang ako, I've been reading financial education books and I was able to apply that in my life and really go for what I really want. And that gave me the drive to succeed. I want to have a happy and successful life. So that's what I strive to do every day. So coming from that experience, it made me really driven. Kaya siguro nasasabi mo, how do I do it? Maybe it came out from that experience na I really want better for myself and better for my kids. Kaya right now, even though I'm a stay-at-home mom, I run several businesses, hindi lang yung online shop. Some of them, rentals and also Grab car and other rackets. Because for me, it's very important to have my own money kahit na dada is here and taking care of everything. And I need to have savings. I really need to have insurance. Yun talaga yung malaking I need to pay every month. So no matter what, I really need to have that. It's what happens to me. Kasi it's what happened to me and that's the result of that. So I guess it's also a good thing na at least we never knew na magkaka-pandemic pero at least we are covered in that area. So that's the big impact that happened in my life.
Relate ako dyan, Mami Ruth, kasi lately din parang naa-addict ako with insurances. Parang mom goals na talaga tayo, di ba? Parang this is adult life, adulthood. Ito na talaga yung ano
Hindi
natin.
siya mura ha. Mahal siya.
Yes! Oo. But it's okay kasi nga, di ba? That ano yung ibibigay mo sa anak mo pag knock on wood, 'di ba, may mga mangyayari, at least you are insured and assured na okay pa rin, 'di ba? Okay. Speaking of mga anak, eto na. Name top 3 things that you love using for your children this 2020. You can name brands if you want.
Okay, so honestly, I'm not really brand conscious mom kasi from my background, kung meron, anything goes. Pero I had my favorites. From being an influencer, I get to sample yung mga PR packages. And my favorites are, for the babies, so shampoo and lotion. For me, Baby Dove. I like the way they smell. They smell like babies talaga. Di ba may natural scent yung newborn? And then, nung nawala na yun, Baby Dove na kami. Doon na kami umaasa. For water, it's important for me that they drink their own water. Kasi right now, we're just filtering. Hindi kami nagpapa-service sa labas para iwas ng contact ng other people. Also, before pa, we really make sure na the kids, they have water na maayos. So, we use absolute distilled water as much as possible. And for sa mga sakit-sakit ng mga bata, lalo na pag first time mom ka, tapos nagkaroon ng parang rashes yung anak mo, nakakaloka, tapos parang may mga sugat-sugat or whatever, I use talaga, I swear by the Honest Company, yung healing balm nila. It's not even a local brand, I didn't collaborate with them. It's just what I saw from my research, and in-order ko pa talaga siya sa online shop, pero available siya sa SNR. So for me, that really solves all my problems before sa mga bata. Like, kung may mga kati-kati sila and everything sa skin. So, yeah.
Yun? Anong pangalan nun, Mami Ruth? Kasi I want to try it
niya
also.
is The Honest Company.
The Honest Company.
The Honest Company. Tapos, yung siya, para lang siyang petroleum jelly, pero nakalagay healing balm. So, lahat ng mga kung ano-ano, like, minsan, kagat ng lamok, minsan, mga rashes, or minsan, I don't know. Basta overnight, nagiging maganda siya, umo-okay siya. Kahit for myself, ginagamit ko siya pag may burn ako or whatever, parang all-in-one solution.
Alam mo, Mami Ruth, I have to mention this before I proceed with the 4th question. I remember when we were still pregnant, sinasabi ko, Mami, sana we were kasi sabay kaming buntis 3 years ago with our eldest, si Yana tsaka si River. So, pinanood ko yung vlog mo about parang mga pregnancy essentials. Ganon. Tapos, sabi ko, hala, may mga ganitong mga brands pala. Ba't di ko alam? So, I find it very useful kasi doon ko nakilala ang witch hazel, kung ano yung gamit nila, and etc. Lalo na talaga, ito talaga yung tumatak sa isip ko, Mami Ruth, yung witch hazel. Kasi sabi ko, okay, so ganun pala yung yung gamit niya. And
Oo.
very
Naging
informative. And
albularyo tayo in short.
yes,
Nung
yes,
maging mommies na tayo,
totoo.
albularyo na tayo.
Yes. And impressive kasi alam mo yung mga ganito na mga bagay. Kasi ako very limited lang yung alam ko. I am parang focus lang ako dun sa mga ano bang term diyan, yung mga
Mainstream.
mainstream. Yes, that's it. The mainstream brands. Yung mga underground, I'm not familiar. That's why underground yung tawag ko
Oo.
dyan. Kaya yun, very helpful yung video mo. So thank you, Mommy Ruth for that. Ayan,
You're
eto na.
welcome.
Fourth question. Ito, Mommy Ruth, sinabi ko rin ito with Andrea and the previous mommies na na-interview ko na about this. Writing this or parang habang sinusulat ko pa lang yung question na to, parang nagiging emotional ako kasi Christmas is my favorite
Oo.
season and tapos ngayon pa, di ba, ganito yung nangyayari sa mundo natin.
Mm-mm.
So, how would you like to empower them? Ano yung Christmas message mo para sa mga parents na nanonood ng video nito?
Okay, so isa na namang Miss Universe question. But I really like it. I really like it. So, for every mom kasi I'm going through, I think it's the hardest part, yung meron kang dalawang maliliit na kids. So, I just want to send a message to myself siguro. Pero sa mga makaka-relate, this is also for you guys. So, because this is what I'm going through right now. So, for moms, this Christmas and this pandemic season and Christmas season, if you are in quarantine and if you're a mom who lose your patience on your kids on a daily basis, I feel you. You're not alone. We're going through it together. Okay. So, minsan kasi naiisip mo, ako lang ba yung mom na ganito? Well, actually, hindi talaga. So, you have to know na ako rin, I'm going through that every day. Wala. Talagang napuputol yung pasensya ko. So, don't be hard on yourself. I want you to know that being a mother, you will discover strengths that you didn't know you had. And being a mother, you will be dealing with fears that you didn't even know existed. So that's what being a mother is. So just breathe. Give yourself a break because motherhood is really, really hard. It's the hardest job in the world. So that's the truth. And I just want you to know you're not alone. And yeah, we are going through this together. Merry Christmas! Happy
Yes.
New Year!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oo nga, di ba? Tama yun, Mommy Ruth. Relatable talaga lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Mommy Ruth, kaya bilib na bilib ako dito eh. You don't really pretend to be somebody else kasi kung ano ikaw, yun rin talaga yung natututunan namin from you. So, I would like to say thank you for being you. Ayun.
Thank you, Mami Ara.
That's true. You are an inspiration. Kasi nga, sasabihin ko ulit ngayon yung sinabi ko kanina na habang pinapanood ko yung vlog mo, sinasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, hindi ko to kaya. Yung nag-aalaga ka, tapos tinitignan mo pa yung camera na baka mahulog. Di ba yung mga ganun, baka mag-stop yung recording. Ganun yung iniisip ng mga mommy vloggers eh, di ba? So, sabi ko, I cannot do this. Parang I cannot pretend to be a good mom na may camera na nakatutok sa akin. Kasi ako, basta Bisaya, maldita, Jud.
Nood na.
Oo, di ba?
Dos.
Oo, di ba? Ano mga anak dahil, hampak kunda karon.
But those a vlog, I try to keep it, I want to show the lighter side of things. Pero when sa privacy sa kids, I don't show na I discipline them. Kasi it's for their own, din.
Yes.
I just talk about it na lang. I talk about it and I say na I lost my today. Oops, sorry, pakiblip na lang. I talked about it pero I didn't wanna really show it. Kasi that's my choice and yung brand ko, I want to show the positive side. Pero I also want to be real na it's not all that. Meron din talagang mga side, yung kagaya nung nabalian si River and everything like that. Meron ups and downs. Okay, so this December, I'm gonna try lang, to do Vlogmas as well. So make sure that you check out my YouTube channel at Mommy Ruth. Yun lang talaga siya, Mommy Ruth. And on social media, I'm in Facebook and in Instagram, Mommy Ruth PH. Yun lang. May giveaways tayo. So Christmas So, yeah, hopefully we can do it. We are right now in Baguio, pero we'll see sa internet connection.
Wow!
Mag-ano tayo,
Yes.
magpa-giveaway tayo all the way from Baguio.
Baguio. That's so
Yes.
exciting. Mommy Ruth, congratulations on your success and milestones sa social media. I am really proud of you. Tingnan mo naman, si Mommy Ruth ha, ito, real talk, 20,000 plus na yung kanyang subscribers. Habang ako dito is 5,000. But it's okay. Alam nyo, when you are in this, parang, anong tawag dito? Passion or in this,
Passion project, ganun.
passion project, ganito, you don't need to compare yourself with others. For as
Yes.
long as nade-deliver mo yung message mo, especially sa target audience mo na moms, okay na okay yan. For as
It's
long
giving
as
me life.
happy ka, o life,
Oo.
giving you
Yun
life.
yung nagbibigay sa akin ng life ngayon, sa totoo lang. Kasi ang kukulit ng mga
Yes.
anak ko.
Oo nga. But anyway, thank you so much, Mommy Ruth, for your time and for
Mm.
your sharings. Ang dami kong na-learn again and na-inspire na naman ako sa'yo.
And right back
Because,
at you. You're really growing na sa social media ngayon,
wow.
Mami Ara. Congratulations
Thank you to
also.
moms and dads. We have to acknowledge the
Yes.
moms and dads, of course, na nagsusubaybay sa atin sa social media. Thank you so much. And Merry
You're
Merry
welcome.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Mami Ara. Mayang Pasko ninyo diha. May.